Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. Today's video will explore the best 3D printers for making and customizing your Nerf guns. It can easily be used to create and customize your dream Nerf gun, from body parts to attachment pieces. The output quality of these printers is excellent, so you can easily have a one-of-a-kind Nerf gun. And with that in mind, we have determined the 5 best 3D printer brands for drones. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make a huge difference in the performance of your Nerf gun. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the top 5 printer brands for Nerf guns. These printers are capable of producing quality parts and attachments with precision and accuracy. These individual printers are especially for users who want to customize and create the ultimate Nerf gun. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Flashforge 3D printer. When bringing your Nerf gun dreams to life, the first choice is undoubtedly the Flashforge 3D printer. With its cutting-edge features and mind-blowing capabilities, this printer will take your Nerf game to awesomeness. Imagine having the power to print your favorite blasters in vibrant colors and different materials, all thanks to Flashforge's advanced technology. Get ready for double the productivity with the Flashforge 3D printer's dual extruders. These bad boys work simultaneously and independently, allowing you to print in 2 colors or materials. The possibilities are endless, whether you want a sleek black and red blaster or a translucent masterpiece. Were you worried about model warping? Fear not! Flashforge's heating bed ensures rapid and steady heating, keeping your print secure and warp-free. This printer can handle it all, from PLA to ABS, PETG to TPU, and wood to PVA, delivering high-quality prints that will leave you in awe. Say goodbye to messy cross-contamination. Flashforge's anti-scrape design minimizes color bleeding during dual-color printing, giving your creations that professional touch. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box